Alright, so let's start our journey. You don't have to have a physical device. You can use a Fortinet support site and download a virtual image of FortiGate device into your virtual environment. Once you get into the support site, create an account, download a virtual image. You can choose your platform of choice. I'm currently using a VMware, and there are different versions that you can use. I'm using 6.0.4 and download it in your own time. Now, the next thing to do is to head over into your virtual environment, import your image, and continue the setup. Once it is done, you will be asked to log in into your Fortigate, use the admin username with no password, and there you are. You're at the Fortigate command line where we will see, using show system interface, the different interfaces that are available. I remind you, we will now set up a management interface. We will now set up an interface that we will use as an admin to get into our Fortigate and configure the different settings, configure policies, set up new interfaces. To do so, let's choose port 7 as our management interface. We will use the following command: config sys interface, edit port 7, set IP. Now, this IP will be used as our management interface. Set IP, we will choose the 10.0.3.16 as our IP. The subnet mask will be 255.255.255.0. The next thing is to set up the management protocols that will be used to get into that interface. Well, we can use HTTPS, we can use HTTP, we can also use SSH, but in our case, we will only use HTTP. And that's it. Now, the next thing to do is to get on to our browser, use the IP address that we have used as our management interface, 10.0.3.16, and we will be prompted to enter our user credentials. We will stay with the default credentials, which are admin with no password.